Lady Pradah.
Money buckle up, oh. Pradah, oh yeah, buckle up. Jack, buckle up.
Let the Pradah into Iwano. Hey.
Jack, buckle up, oh.
I see you. Complain and crying, no fit you.
No fit you.
I see you. People beefing them, abuse you.
Abuse you.
Oh yeah, buckle up. Forget about the past, make you buckle up.
Sorry, buckle up, oh.
Oh yeah, buckle up. Forget about the past, make you buckle up.
Money buckle up, oh.
Yeah, me. Jah no go leave you lonely.
No go leave you.
He will bless you and still make you very happy.
This is how we go.
Dibby time for my paro. Dibby time for my party. Dibby time for my paro. Dibby time for my party. If I shout hallelujah, make you shout too. If I shout praise the Lord, make you shout it. If I shout Ori me, make you shout too. If I shout Mabele, make you shout it.
Overcoming them temptations. Now we're taking over all of them nations. So we roll away, we're taking it from the top, and now we give it to them ladies. Yes, we got them screaming, and screaming, oh screaming, oh screaming.
Dibby time for my paro. Dibby time for my party. Dibby time for my paro. Dibby time for my party. If I shout hallelujah, make you shout too. If I shout praise the Lord, make you shout it. If I shout Ori me, make you shout too. If I shout Mabele, make you shout it. Pradah, telling you say no wahala.
No wahala.
Lady Pradah, telling you say no wahala.
No wahala. This is how we go.
Dibby time for my paro. Dibby time for my party. Dibby time for my paro. Dibby time for my party. If I shout hallelujah, make you shout too. If I shout praise the Lord, make you shout it. If I shout Ori me, make you shout too. If I shout Mabele, make you shout it.